Welcome to The Big Investment. In today's video, we're discussing 5 powerful long-term investment strategies that can help you achieve financial independence. Let's get started. Index fund investing. First, let's talk about index fund investing. Index funds are low-cost mutual funds that track a specific market index, like the S&P 500. They offer broad market exposure and historically provide solid returns over the long term. This strategy allows you to invest passively while benefiting from overall market growth. Dividend growth investing. Next, we have dividend growth investing. This strategy focuses on companies that consistently increase their dividends. By investing in these companies, you can create a reliable stream of passive income. Reinvesting those dividends can also significantly compound your returns over time. Real estate investing. Third on the list is real estate investing. Investing in rental properties or real estate investment trusts, or REITs, can provide both cash flow and long-term appreciation. Real estate can be a great hedge against inflation and adds diversity to your investment portfolio. Retirement accounts. Number 4. Make the most of your retirement accounts. Contributing to 401k IRAs or Roth IRAs can provide tax advantages and compound growth. Take full advantage of employer matches in 401 QRE case and consider maxing out your contributions for the best long-term benefits. Dollar cost averaging. Finally, let's discuss dollar cost averaging. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This approach helps reduce the impact of market volatility and lowers the average cost of your investments over time. There you have it, 5 long-term investment strategies to help you work toward financial independence. Which strategy are you most interested in? Let us know in the comments below.